So for this other side, 180 divided by 12. So the first step is division, like this. Join to 18 will go once. 1 times 12 is 12. Then you subtract 6. Join to 60 is 5. 5 times 12 is 60. Final answer 15. So 12 times 15 will give you 60. Are you seeing it? Alright. For this other side, I have 13575 all over 543. Alright, let's see. This into this will go twice, is that not true? Yes. 2 times this will give me 1, 0, 8, 6. Subtract. Here's 5, here's 1, here's 2, here's 7. Now true? Yes. Huh? Yes. So now into this 543 into this. How many times will it go? For example, are you okay? Do you know that I'm doing something today? As in, do you correct? Do you know that I'm doing something today? Are you aware that I'm doing a video? Do you know? Have you videoed this part? Yes. Did you cut it? You are still videoing? Huh?